The home's bold black exterior is complemented by clean white accent, giving it a sophisticated minimalist look. The small deck at the front is the perfect spot to enjoy a morning coffee while surrounded by nature. Okay everyone, welcome to the stunning world of simplicity and luxury. Today we are going to take you inside a luxurious minimalist tiny home where the elegance meets functionality. This home is a perfect example of how less can truly be more. Come along for the tour. As you step inside, you are immediately greeted by the brightness of the space. The walls are bathed in a sleek white finish, reflecting natural light, which makes the entire room feel airy and spacious. And black accent throughout the room create a stunning contrast that gives the home a modern and sophisticated feel. Here we have a kitchen, the perfect blend of luxury and functionality. The all-white cabinetry and countertops make the space feel clean and uncluttered. And while the subtle black accent on the fixture give it that chic, contemporary look, it's small but every inch of this kitchen has been designed to maximize efficiency and style. From the high-end stainless steel appliance to the smooth, seamless finish of the counter, you can feel the quality of every detail, whether you're looking a quick meal or entertaining guests. This kitchen is sure to impress. Moving to the living area, comfort and simplicity go hand in hand. This cozy yet modern space is designed to make you feel right at home. The minimalist sofa paired with push cushion invites you relax and unwind. The soft lighting adds warmth, creating a perfect atmosphere for reading, enjoying a cup of coffee, or simply enjoying the calm ambience of this space. With its open concept design, this living space flows seamlessly into a rest of home. The natural tones of complement by those elegant black accents, maintaining a sense of balance and harmony throughout. Now let's take a look at the sleeping area. It's simple yet luxurious. In the minimalist bed with soft, highly quality bedding offers a peaceful retreat at the end of a busy day. The black accent wall creates a striking contrast, while the natural light coming through the window adds warmth and creates a serene environment. Okay, and even in a tiny space, comfort is never sacrificed. Every piece of furniture and decor is carefully selected to maximize relaxation while keeping these things stylish and uncluttered. This luxurious minimalist tiny home truly show how well designed, purposeful space can make a tiny home feel expansive and inviting. Its detail from the sleek white walls to the tasteful black accents has been thoroughly crafted to create a space that's both functional and beautiful. The kitchen is masterpiece of modern design, minimalist yet highly efficient. With elegant countertops, high-end appliances, and smart storage solution, it's perfect for preparing meals while enjoying the beauty of this tiny home lifestyle. Moving into the living area, you will find a warm and inviting space designed for comfort and relaxation. Whether you are reading a book, watching your favorite shows, or simply unwinding after a long day, and this space makes every moment feel special. And here, one of the most charming features of this home, the loft bed. Elevated for maximum space efficiency, it creates a cozy yet open sleeping area, bathed in soft lighting for a peaceful night's rest. Every detail in this home is thoughtfully designed, combining modern aesthetic with the warmth of home. The contrast of white and black adds a touch of elegance, while the open layout makes it feel spacious and inviting. And welcome to this beautiful design small bathroom inside a modern tiny home. Despite its compact size, this space is both functional and stylish with sleek white interior, bold black accent, and bright, well-placed lighting. Let's take a closer look. First, we have this elegant modern wash basin paired with a sleek mirror, adding a touch of sophisticated to the space. The minimalist design ensures that every inch is utilized efficiency while maintaining a clean and stylish look. And right next to it, we have a beautifully designed shower cabin, and it's compact yet spacious enough for a comfortable shower experience. The glass enclosure adds a modern touch while keeping the space feeling open and airy. And the toilet is placed in a way that maximizes space without compromising comfort. Every fixture is carefully chosen to create a perfect balance of functionality and aesthetics. And to ensure proper ventilation, this small bathroom features a well-placed window that brings in natural light and fresh air. Additionally, there's an exhaust fan to keep the space fresh and free from excess humidity. This tiny home bathroom is proof that small space can still be luxurious and practical. With a sleek design, smart layout, and modern features, it's the perfect example of tiny living done right. Okay, well, the correlation between the interior and exterior design in this video is only limited to the theme and color composition. Regarding the suitability of door, window openings, and layout between several views, this is limited to similarities in theme. Thanks for joining us on this tour and one of the most stunning minimalist tiny homes. It's proof that luxuries and simplicity can live together harmoniously in even the smallest of space. If you enjoyed this tour and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing home tours. Until next time, and please subscribe and keep embracing the beauty of simplicity in our content and our channel. Okay, have a good day, guys.